Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can withdraw cash from your PayPal to your Mpesa, how you can top up to your account, transaction fees, confirmation, and much more. So if you would like to see how exactly all this is done, then be sure to watch until the end of this video. Before we continue, give me a like if this video is helpful to you, and subscribe as it really helps the channel out and is absolutely free. So I'm assuming you already have a PayPal account, and if not, feel free to click away and go create your first one absolutely for free, and it's simple at paypal.com. So once you have created your account, make sure that you have confirmed your email address and the phone number you used is the same as your Mpesa number. So to register, go to the PayPal mobile money service. The link will be down in the description, so don't worry, I got you covered. So next you want to go ahead and click on the get started button on the website. Use your PayPal email and password to log in, and then link your PayPal and Mpesa number on the website through this particular form. Once you have done this, you will receive a confirmation code via SMS. So enter that code on this website and press the confirm button. And that's it, you have officially linked your Mpesa and PayPal accounts. So to withdraw your funds from PayPal, go back to the home page of the website and click on the withdraw button. You will see your available balance in US dollars. So go ahead and enter the amount you would like to withdraw and click on the withdraw button. It typically takes a few seconds for you to be able to get that money, and you will receive a follow-up confirmation message from PayPal and Mpesa as well. So it typically takes seconds, but it will be processed within 2 hours at the latest worst case scenario. So the transaction cost for this is usually 3% of the amount converted from US dollars to Kenyan shillings, and that is at the time of this recording. And so that's how you can withdraw your money from PayPal to Mpesa. So to top up your account, you want to go back to the home page and click on the top up to PayPal button and use the calculator they have provided on the website to check how much amount in Kenya shillings you will need to convert. And once you have done that, open your SIM toolkit, go to Lipa na Mpesa pay bill and enter 800088 as the business number, and use your Mpesa phone number as the account number. And once you have done that, enter the amount you wish to top up, followed by your Mpesa PIN, and that's it. You will have topped up and you will receive your money in minutes straight to your PayPal. The transaction fees for top up is about 4% of the total amount, and that is at the time of the recording. So if you found this video useful, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and give me a like if you are already a subscriber. That was it for today's video. Be sure to watch another video I have linked at the end screen, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.